Hi everyone! In this video we're going to explain how to hide and reorder elements after a single post content. Let's open the customizer and navigate to the Posts single panel. Scrolling down, you can find two crucial sections: Hide Elements and Elements Order. Let's check elements after post content and assume we want to hide the tags, newsletter and voting box. To do that, just check the respective boxes in the Hide Elements section. Then, let's move the author info box right before the share buttons and reactions box after them. We can do that using drag and drop interface. Going down, let's adjust the You May Also Like section by changing its template and decreasing the number of entries. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.